Welcome to IMS Proschool. If you are thinking about pursuing CFP but are confused about the fees, you are in the right place. In this video, I will break down the entire fee structure of the CFP regular pathway step by step so you know exactly how much you will invest in this journey. And just to clarify, CFP has two pathways, the regular pathway and the fast track pathway. Today, I will cover only about regular pathway. We will talk about the fast track option in another video. Whenever you plan to do CFP, there are always two categories of fees you will need to think about. The official fee that goes directly to FPSB India and the training fees you pay to institutes like IMS Proschool for classes, mentoring and exam preparation support. Let's first dive into official FPSB India fees step by step. So, first, when you begin your CFP journey, you start with student registration fee that is 18,000 rupees. This is a one-time payment. After that, you will need to purchase the specialist study material. Each module costs around 6,500 rupees, and since there are 3 specialist modules in CFP, that adds up to 19,500 rupees. Once you are ready, you move on to specialist exams. Each exam costs around 8,000 rupees and again for 3 modules, which means a total of 24,000 rupees. Now, after clearing your specialist exams, you will pay for the annual specialist certificate. That fees is around 10,500 rupees. The next step is to buy integrated financial planning study material, which costs around 13,000 rupees. And then comes a major part. Final CFP exam fees along with the financial plan assessment bundle that is priced at rupees 25,000. When you add all these together, your total cost with FPSB India comes to around 1.1 to 1.3 lakhs, depending on whether or not you need any reattempts along the way. Now let's talk about the training. At IMS Proschool being the premium education provider for CFP by FPSB India, training fees range between 35,000 rupees to 60,000 rupees depending on the mode you prefer, online, offline or distance learning. And here comes a big advantage. As an official premium education partner of FPSB India, Proschool offers a 50% discount on FPSB official study materials. So you will save directly on cost while getting access to structured classes, mock exams, regular doubt solving and one-on-one mentoring. So if you combine the CFP official fees with the training fees, your total CFP investment will come around 1.5 to 1.8 lakh rupees. But remember, this is not just a fee, it's an investment in your career. CFP is a globally recognized certification that opens the door to better earning potential, career credibility, and international opportunities. If this breakdown helps you, make sure to hit the like button and share this video with anyone who's considering CFP. And if you want to start your CFP journey with guided mentoring, structured learning, check out IMS Proschool, the premium education provider for CFP in India. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for such more videos on financial planning and CFP preparation. Thank you for watching.